Hi, my name's Caitlin and this is Josie.
Hello.
We're both environmental educators here at the GTM Research Reserve. At this station, we'll be showing you how we harvest Spartina grass. Remember at any time during this video, if we get too far ahead, you're always welcome to pause, as well as go back to rewind if we go too fast. Your objective for this station is to harvest Spartina grass that will be used by a restoration team to build along the living shorelines along the Guana Peninsula. The other side of this peninsula is the Talamado River. The river is part of the Intercoastal Waterway, which is a 3,000-mile-long channel that goes from New Jersey to the very southern portion of Texas. This is a pretty busy waterway with boats going along it all day long. The problem is that the boats put off a wake, which are the waves that created by the boat when it goes too fast. Those waves are slowly eroding the shorelines, and it's not a good thing because it means we're losing important habitats into the river due to the erosion. So our restoration team is working on building up the shorelines with oysteries and Spartina salt marshes. After I show you how to pull up a Spartina plug, I'll show you what the plant, or the importance of the plant in the restoration efforts. The supplies that you're going to need for Spartina harvesting are a quadrat, a hand plow, a camera holder, a clicker, a little bit of elbow grease, and a partner to help. First, you're going to find your assigned spot along the boardwalk. Using your quadrat, you'll want to make sure you lie it down directly aligned with the boardwalk, making sure that the strings make a square along the boardwalk. This will be the area that you're harvesting. Once you find the square, you'll want to make sure that it covers a good portion of the Spartina. Make sure that you find the square that's made by the string. This will be the grass that you harvest from. Please try not to harvest anything outside the square. When harvesting, remember that we can't use grass that doesn't have the roots. It's the roots that allow this plant to grow somewhere else. The first thing you're going to do after laying your quadrat down is to take a before photo. In order to do this, get your camera holder ready, as well as your smart device. We'll make sure that the smart device is ready to go with your Bluetooth accessibility. You'll put your smart device into our holder, make sure it's tightly in. Turn on your camera, and make sure that your partner has the clicker ready to go. When using this, we'll have it marked off for you. For wherever your height is, you can hold the pole. Use one hand to secure where your height should be, and the other down at the bottom to secure the pole. You'll want to make sure that the camera is directly above your quadrat. It's important that we get a focused photo as well as the entire quadrat. Hold your pole directly out like you would a table, and when ready, tell your partner to take a photo.
Ready?
Ready. You should hear a clicking noise once the photo is taken. Carefully check your pictures to make sure you have an accurate photo. If you don't have a good photo, it's okay to take the photo again. You'll repeat this step at the end after you harvest to make sure that you have a good photo of the after harvesting. So now we're ready to harvest the Spartina. Remember that when you're harvesting, you want to make sure you get the whole Spartina and the root. You'll also want to make sure that you're only harvesting within your quadrat. When harvesting, it's a good idea to use your thumb to dig into the sediment and gently move it around so you can get the whole root. If you need to, feel free to use one of our trawls. This is a Spartina root. You'll want to make sure that you get it like this, and once you've collected them, place them in our bucket. You'll want to collect all of the Spartina within your quadrat and remember to put them in your bucket when you're complete. The root system of our Spartina grasses is really important because the roots are able to hold in the sediment, which helps prevent erosion along the shoreline. After you've harvested Spartina, remember to take an after-harvest photo so that way we can see how the Spartina grows. Now that you've learned about how to harvest the Spartina at this station, feel free to click on the next station. If you've already gone through all the stations, we look forward to seeing you soon.